Hello guys, my name is Preeti and I'm your Hindi teacher and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn Hindi pronouns through English. This is very important to make sentence and speak Hindi. So let's start. Pronoun. We can say in Hindi to pronoun sarvanaam. Sarvanaam. We use to pronoun to replace noun. We use to pronoun to replace noun. So here we learn 4 types of pronoun. Pronoun means sarvanam. First for myself and ourself. First pronoun is for myself and ourself. Second for yourself, them and they. Third for your younger ones and friends. And fourth for your elders and grands. Today we are learn first for myself and ourselves. So first pronoun sarvanam. When you talk and tell to others something about you, that's called first pronoun. For myself or ourselves, sarvanam. When you talk and tell to others something about you, that's called first pronoun. Pronouns. So here first pronoun is मैं, मेरा, मेरी, मुझे, हम, हमें, हमारा, हमको, etc. They all are first pronouns. They all are first pronoun sarvanam. So use of first pronoun sarvanam. For example, मेरा नाम प्रीति है. मेरा नाम प्रीति है. Here I used मैं, sarvanam, first pronoun, because I tell you something about me. Whenever I will tell you something about me, I will use first pronoun. Here I used मैं because I tell you something about me. Whenever I will tell you something about me, I will use first pronoun मैं, मेरा, हम, हमारा, मुझको. Okay. Next example. I like you. मुझे तुम पसंद हो. मुझे तुम पसंद हो. Here is सर्वनाम मुझे, first pronoun, because I am telling you about my likes or dislikes. So here I used first pronoun मुझे. Next example. हम भारतीय हैं. हम भारतीय हैं. We are Indians. Here I used first pronoun हम, we, because here I am telling you about our nationality. Whenever I am telling you about me, about my nationality, about my lifestyle, then I will use first pronoun. So, got it? Yes? Okay. So, whenever I tell you about myself or ourselves, I used first pronoun. मेरा, मुझे, हमारा, हम, हमको, etc. So students, do revision once again and next part will be come tomorrow. There are 3 parts remaining of pronoun. You will learn very soon. Take care. Bye bye.